Would you like to make this printable Easter cracker right now? Keep watching. Hello everyone, my name is Tina, I am head of design of VectoriaDesigns, and if you celebrate Easter, I have something for you that can get the party started. This cracker can hold a few small gifts for your guests or your kids, like small toys or a joke or a note or confetti, and you can make one for each guest and even personalize it. To download the file, please click on the link in the description and you will get your freebie immediately. By the way, if you haven't subscribed yet to this channel and you like to craft with paper, I'd subscribe if I were you. Oh yeah. And now I'm going to show you how to make this. This is the page that you will get, and obviously this will be a 3-sided cracker. The background has vintage roses, and in the middle there's an official Easter delivery packing slip shipped to the recipient, packed by mom or dad. And it is a special delivery by the Easter Bunny. How to make these? Simple. Just cut all the white away. The big parts I'm going to cut with my trimmer, but you can do that with your scissors just as fine. And when the big parts have been cut off, the rest can be cut by hand. You see, I didn't cut these 4 diamond shapes yet. You can use an X-Acto knife and a ruler to do that, but I'm going to make it a bit easier. First, I'm going to score the lines. Now, the scoring lines are fairly thin. The downside is that maybe you don't see them very well, but the upside is that you won't see them. I don't like designs with very obvious scoring lines. Let me know if these scoring lines are too thin. You can use an embossing pen if you like and a ruler, but I'm going to use my scoreboard. First, I'm going to score the vertical lines, like this. And also these. So vertically there's only 3 scoring lines, these ones. And horizontally there are a few more. This one in the middle here. This one, and the same on the other side. And then I first want to cut out these diamond shapes. And for that I'm going to fold these diamonds in half, like this, with the printed side outwards. Keep it double. Cut out these triangles, and they should be cut out perfectly on the other side too. If you haven't cut it perfectly, it doesn't matter, because lots of it is going to be covered up with a ribbon anyway. This one too. Same on the other side. Now everything is cut out. I'm going to fold all the rest. A bone folder isn't necessary, but you can crease so much better. These go outwards, these go inwards, and these go outward again. Be careful, because the paper is more fragile due to the cutouts. Everything is cut out, everything is folded. Now I'm going to close this cracker with double-sided tape. You can use some glue too if you like. By the way, I left these straight, but if you like, you can use a very pretty border punch to decorate these edges and make them lace-like if you like. Then close the cracker, meet up the edges, so you get a triangular box. To close the cracker, I have these 2 ribbons. I've got them from another gift. Just wrap it around these parts. Make a bow if you like. Like this. And when you've tied up one end, it's time to fill it. Now, if you see, there's quite a bit of a hole here. So don't fill it with 2 small items or put them in a little baggie. I'm going to fill it on the other side with these cute decorative Easter eggs, a blowout, and some large confetti. And when all is in there, you can tie up the other end with a ribbon as well. You can use these as placeholders for your Easter party. You can use them as decorations, put them in your Easter tree. Now let's see if this baby cracks. Of course, if you like, you can add a cracker snap. Just put the snap in there, glue it here, glue it there with a bit of glue or a bit of tape. But for now, I'm just going to leave it like this. And instantly, your table is decorated. If you like this freebie, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you know some friends that might like this too, please share this video with them. And I see you next time. Bye!